Hi everyone and welcome. Thank you for checking this video out today. I really do appreciate it. So we're going to be taking a walk pretty much down the strip to Music Square. I'm starting this at the Don Pepe restaurant, and that's the beginning of the pedestrianised area. So I hope you enjoy it, everyone. Please remember to hit that like button and subscribe if you're new here, because I've got more content coming up from the island that you might enjoy. So thank you very much. Pepe pizza. Busy in there. Don Pepe pizza. Market there, look. So that's a very popular slow boat buffet. There's some places down that side street there as well, look. Didn't see them last time. Sure. That's the main street pub. That's a pub there as well. There's a little pub here called the York. Don't think it's got any. I don't think it's got any seating at the back. It might have.
Shall I go and book infusion?
Oh, right, yeah. Yeah, well, we're coming back. Yeah, someone will be coming back then, won't they?
No.
Coming back.
Even though I'm so tempted to.
Why we're walking that way.
Yeah. Walking with purpose.
Yeah, I'll say I missed the taxi.
It's a steakhouse up there, Lewis.
Yeah, I saw that.
Big, isn't it?
Yeah. El viernes nos seleccionaron para el Festival de la Flor.
very big and very popular steakhouse. It's an ice cream parlour. Oh, it's just a yogurt place, isn't it? Oh, look, some stonking ice creams in there. Some big ice creams in that one, Shell.
Right, that one. Yeah. That's the yogurt one. This one actually. It's only a big ice cream. Nutella. Nutella and cream.
Go on, have a look. Oh, they do affogato here. Shell? So we got a raspberry and vanilla ice cream. What flavour you got, Dar?
Passion fruit.
Passion fruit. Dar's got passion fruit. And they're very twangy. But they're homemade. It's homemade ice cream. And the kids have ordered a bubble waffle each. But we have to wait for it to be made. So this is Vreeback Gelato, artisan gelato specialists. So that's a bubble waffle cone with Nutella and vanilla ice cream. And Jasmine's got one also. Why, you want the load?
I will do in a minute. I said I might just turn around and go home in a minute. So I'll wait. I'll just wait for you. I'll go through it.
So yeah, those ice creams were absolutely divine. Let's look at this tapas bar here, look.
Yeah.
A lot of people stood around outside this one. No seating by the looks on it. Yeah, they're waiting. Yeah. Yeah. Do it to take away here.
Yeah.
Oh, tacos to take away. Yeah, lemonade, iced coffee.
Mini burger.
Oh, it smells really good now. Shell, I was thinking we'll go that way, like, not up there. Shell, I was thinking we'll go down there. Up there's... I thought that was up there, actually. This is more Spanish. Plaza. Tell you what, looks good. That tapas in there. That tapas in there looks good. Jazz, stop. Walk to walk. It's not open though, Shelley. Yeah, but it's not open. It's all shut up by the looks of it. Oh, what's your bag down here? What's your bag here? Right, tight. This is what place we're thinking of going into. Yeah. Bronx Burger Factory, but it's full.
Might want to come back to it and go on our own way.
Yeah, you won't appeal to your mum anyway. But it does look like a young, quite a hip place. But I don't know if, again, have we got a book to go there, or can we just turn up? I don't know. It looks. Hey?
I don't think it's the sort of place.
No, but this time of night you're not going to get a seat, are you? This is Music Square. Right? Table. Table, if you want a drink. Hi everyone, so as we are coming down this quiet section towards the end now, I hope it gives you a bit of an insight of walking down the strip and then down to Music Square. Music Square is a fantastic place to visit if you want some late night entertainment. There were bands on, especially at the weekends, quite late at night, so you would need to get there fairly early to get yourself a decent spot. We did the walkthrough, and then on the way back we managed to get a table and listen to a bit of the music. We did also go down on another night, but we didn't take our camera with us. So yeah, lots of cool bands on, and definitely worth your time if you like a bit of live entertainment. So yeah, I hope this gives you some insight. Make sure you smash that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're new here, because I've got plenty more coming from this stunning island. So thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.